Hello everyone. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Moretoes 36-piece set of 12 ounces plastic juice bottles with caps, perfect for all your juicing, milkshake, and tea storage needs. This package includes 36 clear, empty plastic bottles, each with a tamper-proof black cap, along with a handy rubber funnel, a sponge brush for easy cleaning, and labels for organization. These bottles are made from premium PET material, ensuring they are safe, transparent, odorless, and smooth, with the durability to withstand freezing without breaking, keeping your beverages fresh and delicious. The tamper-proof caps provide an extra layer of security, ensuring your drinks remain untouched and safe for consumption. With a convenient size of 2.1 inches in diameter and 6.3 inches in height, these 12 ounces bottles are perfect for taking your favorite drinks on the go, whether you're heading to work, school, or a picnic. They're versatile enough for any occasion, including birthday parties or even as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Just remember, these bottles are not dishwasher safe, so be sure to use the included sponge brush for cleaning to maintain their quality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.